So, after you finish all of your files, you can always go say new folder upload, and you can upload everything you have in that folder to your desktop. So now I would like to show you how to model another part. So again, I will go here to all, Autodesk Inventor Professional English. So we can just make sure that I'm sharing the right screen. So I would like to show you a couple of other chapter problems from getting started. So again, I'm doing File, New Part, just to practice a little bit, okay? And again, so I see all of them are in inches. So just make the problem 1, 1. So again, I will do Start, and I will select again XY plane. Again, I will go to Tools, Application Options. I like to see a coordinate system indicator. It just helps me understand where's X, Y, Z axis. And in this one, the first one is also symmetric. So, we can make it in multiple different ways. But let's say if I make, for example, I want to show you a little bit of more modeling strategies. So for example, if I build just one rectangular shape and I put the maximum dimension, so this one will be 3 inches, middle mouse click twice, and then this other one will be 1.5. So here, you can move these anywhere pretty much. If you click on this line, you can make them anywhere else. So now I want to show you if I do rectangular shape in the middle, I can just use trim option to erase unnecessary areas, for example. And here you see the one on the right is a little bit lower than the one on the side. So I can just do bigger rectangular shape here. And again, I can just trim leftover parts. So, you can also do this with normal lines. You see here, it wouldn't let me delete this, so I have to delete the dimension first. But like I told you, I like to put one line. You see, now I'm just erasing. I'm selecting erasing. So basically, this is my basic shape. I can put these 0.25. I can put here from one to another 0.25. So left click on a line, left click on a line, and somewhere in the middle, 0.25. Now again, I lost the 3, so I put 3. You don't have to say 300. This one will be 1.5. And the one on the left will be, you will see how now it will become black because I'm fully constrained. Something is still not fully constrained. Let me see. So if you see purple, I can try to move. Okay, you see, if this happens, that means I just need to say that this line is horizontal. So you see my x-axis is there, so I can just say, hey, this is horizontal. Can you please make this and this horizontal? And you see now it added that constraint. And if you want to see there are constraints that we don't see, so basically, I will tell you as we go how we can add that. You see, when I select, you see all the constraints that are. So you see, I do select, you see constraints. So if I delete this horizontal, that will still become a slanted line. So here for the problem 1, 1, all I need to do is to extrude this. So I will say finish, middle mouse click twice, extrude 1.5. That's all. And then at the end, they just want you to do some fillets that are 0.25. I can do that in advance. And I'm just going to add where they want to put these fillets right there. I can also change color, something else. you know, maybe stick to one other. So yeah, and then you can also go to view, visual style, technical illustration, or, shaded with shaded with edges or something like that. Save. So this part will be my problem 1, ENGT 230, and I'll put my name. And again, how do I make a drawing? I just say File, New Drawing. I wait a little bit. And then I don't like the size, so I'm going to Sheet, Edit Sheet, make size maybe B. So base, again, you can put projections in this case, projected, create. You can add another one there. Create, right click, create, and I can make a base here. I can leave this one to be, but make sure they're all the same scale. If you say 1, 1. So if you want to edit what's written in the ANSI large, zoom in, say Old Dominion University. University. Okay. Part number, this will be, let's say 1, 1. That's how they call it here. P problem 1, 1. Author is your name. Creation date, you can type when you did it. So select, like, and then it will keep the same formatting. I don't know, this is always showing. I just say yes. Okay. Title, this is my problem 1, 1. Finish, yes. Middle mouse click. All I have to do is dimension. So basically you go annotate, dimension. Before you do that, you can check, do you need, maybe here they put everything in 3 digits. So if we go to styles editor and we go to dimension and we go to default ANSI, I can change precision to 3. So again, styles editor, default ANSI, precision 3.3, and then I would just add, so you will always add like maximum dimension. So let me do dimension from here to here, left, left, left. Okay. Dimension from here to there, left, left. Okay. Now here I can put all these fillets. So if you don't want to dimension on every side, because this is kind of symmetrical part, you will tell that to the program by adding this symmetry line. Then I know that this is symmetric part, so I don't have to dimension on both sides. So it's okay if I only put it on, you can put central lines to help you out, or zoom in if this wouldn't select. So you see, and I only have to dimension on one side because I put this value for the other one, and I can use this other one for all these, what is my, this dimension. And also I can say how high is this, and I can say how high is the other one. And I think that's all I have to say. In this case, this may be some kind of sheet metal. And yeah, now I have all dimensions. And also, I mean, I can add here also the symmetry line, you see, like that, symmetry line. And that's it. Middle mouse click. So you save, and you say, you save this, and you say File, Export PDF. This is my 2D drawing. And you can say file export image 2D drawing. Yeah, that's about it. So you see here, if I go back to the beginning one, if you messed up how you know, like you might be zooming in, zooming out completely somewhere else. If you click on the home, it should get you to the best zoom. And maybe I can say export. I want to like to export this picture. You see like 3D model, or you can also say export PDF 3D model. So I just want to show you one more part to see how you can model that one. So thank you for watching.